Here's a tutorial on how to make a teleporter in Gdevlop. And by teleporter, just a simple one where you go into it and go to the other teleporter.
Let's start this. So, first of all, go into Develop, of course, and open your project.
So, make the teleporter sprite, which I will do off camera.
You can name it whatever you want.
So, there is my teleporter. Exit the editor.
Then click on the teleporter sprite and do Ctrl plus Shift plus D to duplicate.
Then place them into the game.
Now preview it.
It currently has no function, so let's fix that.
Go to the Events tab and copy the code at the end, or follow along.
Don't forget to add the trigger once, so that it only teleports you once.
Okay, there's a bug, so let's fix that.
The issue was that when you teleport through the first one, it would also trigger the second teleporter's code, which would send you back. The solution was to just have the position of X be a negative to a certain margin, so you have to go through trial and error for yours.
It now works, so support my channel and good luck on your game dev journey.